Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel, yegobox, where we help you to get so much information about programming, digital marketing, and everything in between. So today we have a different video where we update you with the current technology, and it has been a month where we have been using Flutter SDK in our company, and we have been developing company apps. Sorry, we have been developing company apps in Flutter, and now we have been developing apps for our clients, and our clients really like Flutter because of its simplicity, and you don't have to spend a lot of money to create mobile application for Android and iOS. So that was so much of excitement on our side and on the side of a client. But today I have another fresh news for Flutter lovers, Today, Google Flutter SDK can now make apps for Windows too. And this is so amazing. This is life-changing. Let me give you the example of how this is so life-changing. So in our company, we have a desktop app and Android app, and a desktop app is built in Electron and Angular framework, and the same app is also running on Android and iOS, which means we are using Flutter. So you can see that we have two code base that is different, So now imagine having one code base for Android and iOS and desktop too. This is so much. A client can get the same experience of the app on mobile, which is Android and iOS, and desktop too. So this news has been released on 23rd, 2020 at 8 a.m. By a guy named Kyle. So it has been a while Flutter is being used as cross-platform for Android and iOS application when developer are developing for those platforms. So the idea of Flutter is just write once and run anywhere. So now the latest improvement made to support the window computer now support only 32-bit, but they're working towards just to support the other architecture, and today Flutter team is launching Flutter for Windows Alpha. So we can expect to have this feature in stable release of Flutter in just couple months to come, I guess. So there's a lot of news about Flutter, so I'll be sharing them to you here so that you get you get updated. But they also they also made a simple open source project called Frog, and this is to illustrate how Flutter can run on Windows. So if you see, I will link this article in a video description. So if you go to that repository, just show you how that's Frog. You can see the code base here, and you can see the code and you can edit them. I have already installed the app on my machine. I've seen it's amazing. So yeah, so that's what we have. So another comment I can add on this is when I was checking out this this code base, I've seen that it doesn't have Android and iOS, but to my mind, I wanted just to see how the same code base of desktop is used on macOS, web, and Linux at the same time to build desktop application. So I kind of liked, I kind of wanted that experience to see, the shared code base on all platforms. It seems like this code base they shared was only focusing on the desktop side of Flutter rather than cross-platform side of Flutter. So which is something I think that we should open an issue for so that we can see the clear picture of how a developer can do both Android, iOS, and web, Linux, and Windows. So anyway, that's just quite an improvement. And another things I would like to comment is the auto update feature that is still missing in Flutter framework. I tried to open the issue on Flutter SDK, and the answer I got is that developer can still implement it. It doesn't have to be inside Flutter SDK. Uh, but that's just how it is now. But I think to be nice to have, like, if you can build a desktop application without worrying about how you will ship the update to a user, that would be a big change in the Flutter SDK. Because, for example, in Electron, we have a feature that you can install alongside with your code base. Then it will be able to check the update and download the new app when it is available from GitHub releases. And that's just something I wanted, like, it's my opinion, just to have, a package, or maybe embed the feature in Flutter SDK so that the client can have that option to roll out the new update to the clients. So that's the big news. And if you like to go out and check out this desktop app they have created for demo purpose, you can go there and just check it out. It's amazing. I've seen it, and the code base is straightforward. And I would like just you guys to tell me the comment. And if it's the first time you watching this YouTube channel, please subscribe. We have a lot of things we're planning to have, building the developer community in Africa. And if you would like to join our community growing, please consider subscribe and like the video and share to your friends. It will mean a lot to us. And see you next time. Yegobox forever.